Okay, last time we had we had implemented Jack is 10, but we realized that we weren't really happy with the fact that we don't have a general solution for all the tens, and that kind of bothers me. The only thing we're checking for is T and J. So I'd like to finish those out now, and I think we can do those in one shot. I don't think there's any good rule for this because these letters are so far apart. So instead, we really need to test for all of them and make this thing work. We could do them one at a time, or we can do them both at the same time. I think I can take a bigger step here, and we're going to go ahead and hit both of these at the same time. So what we're going to be implementing are these two rules, that king is 10 and so is a queen. And that's pretty easy to do here. King is 10, queen is 10. Technically, this is two tests at once. So maybe we're violating something, but I think this is a big step that we can do. It's a pretty small big step, if you will. So it is failing. All right, so what are we going to do here? Well, I'm going to follow in this pattern and just keep adding card, or card is king, or card is queen, and that should take care of them all. Oops, wait, before I do that, I forgot to record the fact that I have a failing test. So I'm undoing that, going over here and committing, I'll call it fail. And because I'm really cleaning up the tens, I'm just going to say tens here, because that's what I'm dealing with. All right, so we're failing on the tens. Good, now let's make it pass. Oh, oops, redo, 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 redo. Okay. And hopefully that passes. All right, let's commit it. Pass on the tens. Okay, let's clean it up. Can we clean it up? Well, we could reorganize this because maybe it's nice to do king, queen, jack, 10. That might be nice. We could do some other tricks here. Like we're seeing some duplication because we're asking card is 10, card is jack, card is king, card is queen. We could put these in like some dictionary and look it up, or we could use a switch statement. Switch statement is going to duplicate a lot of stuff because you're going to have case, 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 break, 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 or return, return, return all over the place. The dictionary might be better-ish because you get, you can have a mechanism that looks up a character object and gives you back a value. They'd all be 10 though. We could just, let's see, we could, or I guess we could have a set, right, to check to see if the card is in the set. You can make a string object and check to see if card is there. Those all sound very tricky to me and not really worth it. So this is small enough. I think I'm happy. I'm just going to reorder this so that it goes in the, in a nicer order, either all ascending or all descending. Well, let's see. The easy way is I had 10 jack. Let's go ahead and make this queen and king and call it done. Make sure that still passes. While that's compiling, let's look at the rest of our code. 10, let's go ahead and make this, clean this up and make that the same order too. That looks nice. These are going to go away. I think we got rid of the duplication that we can. Life is good as long as the test passes. The test still passed. We'll call it done and clean. Cool. That was a nice short video this time.